let's come to one more, that is Parvatasana. Now this is something where in case of Parvatasana you will find that you have a body structure like this, right? In case of Parvatasana, again, any idea where we have attention to be given in Parvatasana?
Navel.
To navel. Any other?
Looking towards the top.
Looking towards the... No, Parvatasana, I'm saying. Parvatasana. Okay. So, both?
Our leg form should be touching.
Correct.
Everything form touching.
Yes, absolutely right. Absolutely, you are absolutely right. It should be touching to the ground.
Yeah, tension is at the top of the head, right? Tension is at the top of the head.
Very close. Attention is probably head. Okay. So navel is one answer. Stretch, sorry. Calf muscle is another one. You will be surprised to know, but you will get the answer during doing it. Okay. The attention should be on the Vishuddhi chakra. Why? A reason. Navel is one answer, definitely. But at the same time, Vishuddhi chakra, which is a throat. Because in this case, see, your neck is between two hands. And in that, generally we have a tendency to bring this neck into hands, but not touching it to our chest. In Parvatasana, your chin is touching to your chest actually speaking. If you want to keep your complete head between the hands, your chin will be touching your chest. And at the same time, you have a very good pull as that you're pulling your calf muscles, okay, and you're pulling, you're keeping your both the legs sole touching to the ground, right? So you have already stretched in the calf muscle, but at the same time you have flow towards your head, blood flow towards your head. But this blood flow is getting restricted with a kind of virtual Jalandhar Bandh. Okay, here which occurs. We don't come to know. But you will find that in this particular position, there is much more flow in your thyroid. Correct? So again, all advantages of Vishuddhi chakra you get here. See, there is a very simple principle that the way in which first six positions occur, and the six positions which are coming up, exactly they are complementary to that. Exactly they are pairing, not complementary, pairing. Only thing is Ashwa Sanchalanasana, which is not pairing. Ashwa Sanchalanasana, it is said that if you are taking your left leg first time stretching, then the left leg should be brought. It means it is a complementary position. It's a complementary position. Because if you are stretching left leg while actually starting at the position 3, and if you are bringing left leg say at the position 8, then it means it's a very different position. Okay, so that is what is taken care in Surya Namaskar. That every Surya Namaskar will have its own compensatory positions also. Needless to say, very simple principle which is followed all over the Surya Namaskar, that is, if your chest is expanding, you have to breathe in. If your chest is contracting, say in Ashtanga Yoga, you have to breathe out. Very simple principle, and this principle is not only followed in Surya Namaskar, It is also followed in the whole overall yoga. Okay. Only thing is when you want to do some pranayama, or if you want to do some other juggleries, at that point of time your chest is expanded and you are not breathing. Those kind of things are very rare in you. Okay. But otherwise, keep a principle very clear that expansion of chest muscle is a breathe in. Contraction of chest muscle, breathe out. That's the key principle followed. For the sake of keeping this intact fact in mind, that if you breathe in heavily when your chest is expanding, your vital capacity will increase. If you breathe out completely, your tendency to keep as less as possible carbon dioxide in your lung will also increase, which is actually efficient breathing. That is known as efficient breathing. So those are the positions. Major 7 positions are very important in Surya Namaskar. Then they are repeated.